Why do I think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood, warm as sun, such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover,
Hi guys, so I am off to a meeting this morning just to talk about the album. I'm going to meet up with Neville from 2B3 and Paulette Jeffers Long. Kind of like a business meeting, kind of a where we at now kind of meeting, and we're going to just work out what we're going to do now, how we feel about the album so far. So this week's episode of JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum is an old video I made last year. Where was I? Oh, I was in Ireland with the boys. So today's video is all about my vegetarian sausage roll. Hi, it's me, JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum, and guess what? We are here in Ireland. We are in Kinsale, me and the kids. When we came, we took a plane and we were waiting for the rest of our party, and so we went to a little cafe and they had a vegetarian sausage roll. It was spinach and chickpea. I'm not making that because I haven't got any spinach and chickpeas here, and it tasted so delicious, so I thought I would do it. Now check it out. As you can see, we're in an Air BnB. It's not my kitchen, it's somebody else's kitchen. Making food away from home, all the way in Ireland. I'm going to be using stuff that's not mine. I don't really have all my ingredients. It's a great kitchen though, and it's got lots of stuff to do. But let's see if we can make our own sausage roll. So Cayenne, all we've got at the moment is carrots and onions. So Cayenne's going to cut them up small for me. We're going to use what we got. So I am now going to soften some onions and carrots. I'm going to add some herbs and spices, and we're going to cook it down. Herbs, chili, just mix. I'm going to sweat it down. So what you're looking at is soya protein mince over here. You're looking at my mixed beans, and then this is the onions and carrots. I'm going to mix them all together and make a nice, very sort of thick mixture. This is some flax egg I'm going to add. Now this flax egg binds the mixture. It's already quite bound anyway, but this is quite healthy and it binds the egg. Yeah, so let me just show you what we've got. Mixture's quite firm, so already that's going to be nice. We'll be able to roll out into a nice big sausage roll. 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to make a very simple from scratch pastry with flour, plain flour and vegan butter. I'm going to make this into breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to bind it together. So here's our pastry, and I'm about to roll it out. So in this Air BnB there is no rolling pin, so I'm going to roll it with a bottle of white wine vinegar because there's nothing round in here. I made it into a long oblong, and now I'm going to put the mixture in the middle. Going well so far. Our mixture in the middle, and now I'm going to roll it together. I made my sausage rolls, so now I'm going to brush them with soya milk.
They're going to be ready now.
So Anayo is starving. I've scored them and I brush it with soya milk, and in the oven it goes. It's really coming on nicely. As you can see, it's browning up so nice. Boys are really hungry and they want spaghetti with it of all things. So anyway, I'm going to present it somehow so that it looks something half decent, but it looks lovely. It's well cooked, well baked. So now the boys want it with some spaghetti, which is a weird combination, and we're going to plate up and see what the verdict is. Air BnB, and this is what I managed to cook: a lovely vegan sausage roll.
I like my thing with spaghetti, it tastes nice.
Who likes this vegan sausage roll with spaghetti? Can you believe it? Your hand. Having said that though, so I will be back, and you'll be getting fresh, brand new videos every week again. I'll be back.